Kai, in exactly 20 minutes, we're going live on your channel.
Yes.
But we're in the middle of a field.
Yes. We have replicated my room, and we're gonna blow it up in front of hundreds of thousands of people.
And if you don't believe us, come over here. So this little tunnel over here leads into a scale replica of Kai's room. That's his streaming setup over there. No joke. We recreated his room in a field so he can have a firework war and just start launching stuff. And when it inevitably burns down, it'll prank you guys.
Yeah. Make sure you guys stay tuned.
And if,
gotcha.
And if this ends up backfiring and being a really bad prank, Kai assumes all responsibility.
Huh?
I can't believe I let you convince me to wear a ski mask.
Chat! He got a ski mask on, chat.
Oh,
I ain't gonna lie.
Jimmy, what?
Okay, so chat, can y'all tell him what's going on? Chat, can you guys tell Jimmy what's going on right now?
I mean, every 4th of July.
And why there's fireworks right now, chat? Chat, what's going on right now?
I'm scared.
I'm not gonna lie, you have walked yourself into... Okay, let me be honest with you. Do you want me to be honest with you, bro?
Are you gonna kill me this stream?
Listen to me, bro.
Going on? Okay, I'm listening.
I beat Elden Ring a few days ago, right?
I saw.
Tomorrow, it is about to go down. And you just walked into a war zone.
Oh my God. Hey, be careful.
Watch out! I'm not fucking.
You gotta get it all.
Watch the fuck out! That's a line 4. Watch out! That's a line 4, bitch ass nigga. Bro, stop!
Bro, work to my mother, you do the same in my room, I'm gonna be dumb tight, bro. I swear to God, bro. Work to my mother, there won't be no crib. All my life, there wouldn't be a crib. All my life, there would not be a crib. Alright, word to my mother, I swear to God, y'all gonna hate me, bro.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh my fucking God. How did it look? How did it look?
Amazing. Valley, bro. Yo, bro.
Oh, they cut it, they cut it.
Yo, bro.
One. I ain't lie to me.
Yeah?
That's gonna be everything.
Yeah, that's a fucking banger.
Yo, what's the chat saying? What's the chat saying? Body that game. Oh shit. Yo, that shit is everywhere, bro. Oh, it is on fire.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Hey, look, hey, look, hey, look. Hey, look, hey, look. That's all I'll say. Everybody just goes dark.
No
Nothing.
one posted anything.
I mean, stream. I mean, tweets. You got a tweet you want to put out?
Okay.
Like accordingly as if it just happened.
Yeah, okay.
You feel me?
Yo, maybe do like a Zoom
Hey!
picture of this.
Fire department at the house on the way.
I'm gonna say. I love what you say. I'm done with
Yeah,
all
at the
this
crib.
shit.
Fire department on the way to the crib.
I'm done with all this shit.
No, I'm saying that's the tweet. That's the tweet.
And just like that, we fooled the internet. Legendary. I'm gonna see you guys soon. Yes, sir, Skeet.